Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by preparing the system and restarting core services. First, install any pending Windows updates so indexers aren't fighting old files. Once done, restart File Explorer from Task Manager to clear UI hangs. Then open Services and restart the Windows Search service to refresh the indexing engine. Make sure to sign out or perform a full reboot if scheduled tasks or locked files persist. These quick restarts often resolve transient search failures before deeper fixes are needed. Next, repair the index and validate system integrity. Open indexing options and click Rebuild to force a fresh catalog. This fixes missing results caused by corruption. While that runs, open an elevated command prompt and run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, then sfc/scano to repair Windows components that search depends on. Also verify Cortana and search permissions in settings so the search process can access files and apps. These steps handle deeper causes that simple restarts won't fix. Finish by resetting the search app and performing final checks. Use an elevated PowerShell to reinstall or re-register the Microsoft Windows search package when the UI is broken. This resets search components without a full reinstall. Run the built-in search and indexing troubleshooter from settings to apply recommended fixes automatically. If problems persist, try creating a new user profile or use system restore to a known good point. Tip: if reinstalling, export bookmarks and settings first so you can recover them afterward.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.